Cambra Speed Shop block party. People everywhere. Look at this, man. Just sick. Beautiful. Man, amazing. The quality of the builds here is just crazy. Ray brought it. Hey, Doug.
Hey,
what's happening, bro?
We did photos, seriously.
You like that photo?
Photos.
Say it. What do you say? Doug Moore in the house.
What do I say? I'm here.
Yeah.
Got another show. I'm here.
That's awesome. Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
All right, he's grilling over Ray's Zephyr as I am too. This car is amazing. V12 car. Take a look at this. That's perfection. Got a Jenny running over my back here. All right, let's keep going. Oh, it was a good time there. Oh man, that was fun. So, out here in front of the main shop at Cambra's. Killer. We got Michael's tea bucket here. Doing flyovers. Look at the flame job on this. Shades of Mike LaValle. God bless you, sir. Sorry to hear that you've left us. Full custom. Oh, I know this guy. He got it painted. Look at that. He finally did it. Wow, this van has come a long way since the last time I've seen it. Really, really good number on it. Wow. It has come a long way. Very sweet. Come a long way. Pigeon Forge Super Tour 17 FE. Yeah, we talked about that. He used to hang out in Surf City Classics. I don't remember his name. Yep. So some of the stuff that we're seeing here. Cambra. Nice FE. I thought that was Justin for a second, but no, it's not. Take a look around here. Beautiful Nova. 36 Ford. 55 Chevy wagon. 4-door. Wow, what is this? Is this a Vicky? Yeah. Beautiful Vicky. I'm used to that glass top one. This is looking like a goat. Maybe a 70 or, no, excuse me, 69? Love the Suburban. Santina with a full gloss coat on it. Oh yeah. Type LT. Z28. There's the famous Cambra shop truck. That beautiful panel owned by Randy Miller. He won Best in Show just the other day at Bray, I believe. Nice, nice. Deluxe here. Looks like a 54. Late model vet. C3. Reminds me of the old Corvette Slimmer. And you got yourself a Tradesman Econoline 100 here. There's the vet. Oh yeah, custom top. Little rubber bud. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the row here in front of Cambra. We'll just take a quick walk on down. A lot to see, as you can see. I think I'm about ready to head out myself. Got a couple things to go do. But yeah, overall, just a really, really great show. Love the C10. Like his vent work, all the custom chrome. This is unusual. Kind of next level. Whoa. Loving that cover. What the hell did that come out of? Vortex Max. Pretty dope. Nice 59 V8. square window. Last year the flip out door handles. On last year's the semaphores. There we go. Looks like this is starting to get ready to do the raffle now. Yeah, this is the first year of the what they call the square back window, which is what mine is, the 60. And he's got the 911 fans. Looking like a factory 5 right next to it. Definitely a factory 5. Cobra emulation. Oh, Cobra motor. Nice. Screw charger in it. Very cool. Oh, look at this Nova. Gorgeous. Bitech setup. His blowers he run a Fortec. MSD digital 6AL. Looking like a Pro Street in here, man. Full cage. Looks like he's track legal. Got his cut off. Yep, he's got his cut off. Yeah, he's ready to run. Amazing. Looking like a 64. Tell me if I'm right or wrong on that one. Oh, and of course we gotta go look at Ron's van. One of the most iconic vans of all time. The one, the only Death Wish. This was the van that we all wanted when we were kids, man. This was the one. He found somebody to do the copper work. He found it up north somewhere, brought it back. Has been slowly just really doing a number on this thing. Original vinyl top, everything underneath was just completely gone and rusted. He's kept the interior. He's had the copper redone. He's worked through to bring the paint back to original. This massive gull wing door here. Just crazy. You open it mechanically. It's just held up with gas struts. The T-tops. All this is the original interior of this vehicle. So crazy. It's not even really a seating area in here. It's just kind of a common area. And you can flip your seats around, and then in back is the bed and everything. Just nuts. Oh. Another gull wing door in the back. Patrick! Oh, running! I just got a back slap by Ron. Look at this bed in the back. I love it. French tint taillights are extreme with a Dodge look. And then Van Diemen, actually, Steve Van Diemen came in and redid all the pinstriping and brought this thing back to where you see it now. So, all right, that's the main row here at Cambra's Pete. It's about time to get out of here, but let's just check out the last of the row here. Devin's here working.
You treated me really nice because I was a senior citizen, so they had me.
Oh, there's Don Lou. Everybody hanging out over here, hiding out. Figured out you guys be hiding in the shade. Smart guys. Here we go.
Breeze right here.
Oh yeah, we got time capsule in the house here, man. Look at that. We got Devin in the house. What's happening there? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Great show today. I think I'm going to head out here shortly.
Hey, can I get all my guys up here? Rick?
He's calling the crowd up right now.
You too.
Oh man, look at this Tirana. So cool. Love to see it with the hood up. Beck 392 next to it. Look at this, man. What a monster. Deuce days. That thing is just insane. A blown Deuce from the Emperor's out of Seattle. Didn't get to see the Mercifuls across the way. We have to go and see their paddock. And there you go.
More soul free.